The family of Lexi Dbess, the social media influencer, has launched a GoFundMe account. The family of Lexi Dbess, the social media influencer who died in a motor vehicle crash almost 2 weeks ago, has launched a GoFundMe account, which they say will be used to raise money to fulfill some of her dreams. Lexi Williams, otherwise called Lexi Dbess, was one of 3 persons in a Toyota Mark X, which collided into a Toyota Voxy on the North Coast Highway, near Spring Hill, Trelawney. She along with the driver passed away while her best friend Celia Vernon sustained major injuries. During a candle lighting event which took place at the family's home in Rio Bueno, some relatives, including one of Williams's siblings, expressed that he was not pleased with the idea of a GoFundMe account to help with funeral arrangements. This led persons to believe it was a scam. However, Williams's mother Sharon Paris has confirmed that the online crowdfunding campaign is not a scam. The GoFundMe is not entirely about the funeral because her sisters and other relatives have plans to come together and bury her. Paris said, "This account is for me and her friend Celia to assist with anything that's needed." No date has been set for Williams's funeral as the autopsy has not yet been carried out. She said, "The family is hoping to raise $20,000 United States dollars, approximately 3.06 million Jamaican dollars. Up to press time, 130 United States dollars had been raised." As Lexi Dbess, Williams stood out as the top female comedian in the reality TV series, 876 Roommates. According to Celia's sister, Livra Vernon, she is in critical condition at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, with 2 broken legs and ribs, a punctured lung and damage to her face. She does not know that her best friend did not survive. "My sister is coming on a little. I am being told we will have to donate blood as they are going to do surgery on her face to set back the bone. We were advised not to tell her about Lexi, until she could manage to process that information," Vernon shared. She said that they were not certain of the estimated medical expense but were praying that help would come. The families of both women are asking that persons keep them in their prayers and also expressed that any consideration will be a blessing as they mourn the loss of Williams and help to get Celia back on her feet. Persons who want to assist the Vernon family can donate to NCB Savings A/C# 444,445,319 belonging to her sister Livra Vernon. The GoFundMe account link will be in the description. Brought to you by Jamaica News.